Curtain drawn, cold steel gleam, tile floor sweating, white mask breathe. They wheel you in, tea still red, tag on your toe, nails packed with death, rib cage spread like rusted gates, organ steaming on stainless plates. Autopsy Theatre, crowd of ghosts in gowns. Every cut is scripture, written as you're pinned down. Autopsy Theatre, pulled apart and unnamed. You don't leave this table, you just stay displayed. Jaw wired shut, eyes taped wide, hands folded neat. For the first time, bones saw buzz, then sudden hush. Whole room waiting for the final crush. Autopsy Theatre, crowd of ghosts in gowns. Every cut is scripture, written as you're pinned down. Autopsy Theatre, pulled apart and unnamed. You don't leave this table, you just stay displayed. Section by section, you disappear. Piece after piece, they keep you here. Skin, fat, muscle, mute. Autopsy Theatre.